Welcome to BotBee. In this video we will show you how to connect WhatsApp business account with BotBee. First go to developer.facebook.com and then click My Apps. In this window click Create App. And then select Others. And click Next. In this window we have to select app type as business. And then click Next. In this window add the app name. App name will be your business name. Then add contact email address. That should be your Facebook email address. Then select the business account. If you have business account already it will show here. Otherwise you have to create new one. I am selecting already created one. And then click Create App and enter Facebook password then. Click Submit. In this window we have to set up WhatsApp. So scroll down and select WhatsApp. And then click Setup. This is our WhatsApp Cloud API dashboard. In left side menu, select API Setup. Here, you will see the test WhatsApp number. Now we need to add our WhatsApp business number. Scroll down and selected phone number. Here, you need to enter your business display name. Make sure your business display name same as your business app name. And then, select correct time zone. Then select your business comes under which category. Then enter your business description. It's optional. If you want you can enter. Otherwise click Next. Now you have to select correct country code. And then enter new WhatsApp business phone number. Note, we have to add number that doesn't have any WhatsApp account. If your business phone already have WhatsApp account, then you have to migrate it. We will demonstrate migrating technique. In separate video, enter business number. And then click Next. Enter the 6-digit OTP that you received in your phone. And then click Next. Now you can see your WhatsApp business number added successfully. Now we have to add payment details. For your business app, go to Developer Dashboard and select your app name. Select View Details. In left side menu, select WhatsApp, and then select API Setup. Now, you will see Add Payment Method. Select that. In this window click Payment Setting. Click Add Payment Method. Select correct country and time zone. Then click Next. Now add your card details here. Then click Save. Your card added successfully. Hereafter your meta conversation charges collected from this card. Your business manager account would have been created automatically for your app. Click that, you will be redirected to Business Manager. Now go to Business Information and provide details about your business. After adding your business details, proceed to verify your account by clicking View Details. Click Start Verification and continue. Add address and phone number, and then click Next. Select Contact Method, and then click Next. Upload business documents for verification. Confirm phone number, and then select Send Text. Enter the OTP that you received on your phone number. That's it. It will take 2 to 5 business days to verify your business. Open your app from Meta Developer account. In left side menu, select Configuration. You need to copy webhook callback URL and verify token from BotBee. Go to BotBee dashboard and select Connect Account. Copy webhook callback URL and verify token. Paste it in your app. In webhook fields, click Manage and subscribe to messages, so you will receive incoming messages to BotBee dashboard. Select your app from Meta Developer account. In App Dashboard, you will have link to Facebook Business Manager. You will be redirected to Facebook Business Manager. Select System User, and then select Add. Read the terms and conditions, and then select I accept. Now provide name for your system user, and then select System User role as admin. Click Create System User. Now System User created. You need to add your app to this system user. Click Assign Assets, select Apps, give full control, and then click Save Changes. Now your app got added to the system user. Click Generate New Token, and select App. Select Token Expiration as Never, and then select Catalog Management, WhatsApp Business Management and WhatsApp Business Messaging. Then click Generate Token. With this token, we can manage WhatsApp Cloud API account. Copy this token. Make sure to copy without any additional characters. We need business account ID for your Cloud API number. Go to Developer Account and select your app. In left side menu, select API Setup. Copy WhatsApp business account ID for your business number. Go to BotBee dashboard, and then paste copied WhatsApp business account ID, and then click Connect. That's it, your business number connected successfully. Make sure all the permissions are in green tick. If any of the permissions with red color, repeat the process again. Thank you for watching the video.